Question number 21. X squared plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. One solution to the given equation can be written as x is equal to negative 7 plus root k by 2, where k is a constant. What is the solution of k? Value of k. Okay. Now, this is quadratic formula, right? Let's do concept number 1. It will take all the concepts. Okay, let's do the concept first. The quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of d by 2a. And here k is written as d. That means we have to simplify the d. And d is b squared minus 4ac. D is discriminant, right? Which can be calculated with the values of a, b, c. Now if I compare it with here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 5. So let's plug in here. B squared minus 4 times a times c. It is 49 minus 5 4s are 20 and 29. So at place of t, question has k and value of t is 29. So if I replace it here, negative, okay, let's plug in the value of b, which is negative 7 plus minus root of 29 by 2a is 2. So on comparing, this question is demanding positive value. If you write the two values, when I write plus minus both, that means I am just trying to write two values together. So one is this and another one is this. So when we write two values together and there is a difference of only one sign, we use both the signs in such equation. So from now onwards, if you see plus minus sign, see it this way, right? Okay, so k is 29 here. And sometimes if you are really good with concentration, you have a very good concentration and you are habitual to see long equations, you can also write it like this: negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. And in this question, b square minus 4ac k. So just check your style. What is your style? Are you more comfortable is writing d here and calculate d separately, or you are comfortable with writing d here as it is? Totally your style. Okay, let's go to question number 22. A scientist measured the length of 240 gray seals from M Island and 120 gray seals from S Island, M Island and S Island. Okay, the scientist determined that the mean length of 240 gray seals from M Island was 88 inches. Okay, that is about mean. So formula for mean is like mean is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations, right? Now if we write this formula in the symbolic representation, then mean is equal to sum of all, this is the sign for summation, and read as sum of all terms, that means x is the observation, and sum of all observations upon number of all observations can be written like this, or it can be written like this depending upon the question. Now M Island has 240 grain seals and mean length of 240 gray seals is 88 inches. So you will write it as 88 is equal to sum of all observations upon 240, multiply by 240 on both sides. 88 times 240 is equal to sum of all observations. That means if you use the calculator, it is 11280. Okay. Now for the other S Island, it is 94 inches for 120 gray steels. Okay. So 94 is the mean I think I have switched it. So this one is basically 21120 and the other one is 94. Now these are another one. So let's say it's yi and these are for 120, right? So sum of all observations is equal to 94 times 120, which is 11280. So sum of all observations for the first data is this, and sum of all observations from the second data is this. First data has 240 gray cells and second data has 120 gray cells. So total are 360 gray cells. Okay, let's move forward. What was the mean length of all 360 gray cells? Okay, so that means this time mean of all this is needed, right? So how will you do? Mean of all. Okay, here I should write like mean of all x and y is all these lengths and all these lengths, right? You have to find mean of xi and yi both. So let's write mean, that will be more accurate. Mean of all 360 is this. So what is sigma of xi and fi? It is 21120 plus 11280 all 360. So 32400 and 360 is equal to 90. So mean of the all is 90. B is the right observation. Now it's a very I can find a very tempting mistake here that you say, okay, mean of this is 94 and mean of the other is 88. Why not add them? Right? If you see the option like it's wrong, I know, you will, oh, I have this answer and it is also in the options. So no, this is according to the length of the first kind of gray cells and this is according to the length of the second kind of gray cells. So they have to be calculated